back to my early teen years, where I had an immense fear of becoming a big back. But big back doesn't exist over here. We are making the most exquisite peach cobbler pie you've ever seen. I was watching Jose.elcook's peach cobbler video. He showed me this technique that you score an X on the bottom of the peach. Boil a pot of water. Blanch the peaches for 30 seconds. You get to peel them easier. Bubbles are coming out. Is this correct? Yeah, this isn't too bad. One peach done. Let me sit for the rest. Let's cook these peaches. This is gonna be our first break time in the whole 3 hours I've been recording this. I'll catch you after my break. My lips are shiny. Red flag. Wow. Two beautiful cobbler pies. We're gonna let them cook for 30 minutes, and then we'll give them a taste. But there is that one pie with the emperor shout for.
Goodness sakes,
What a pie! I've sure been missing out. We've made yet another masterpiece. Always knock it out the park. Well, not always, but out the park. We did it. I'm so proud. Trying first time a lot recently. Well, not recently, because I didn't post in like 30 days. But we're back a little bit, I think. Peaches feel a little bit weird inside my mouth because I never had it before, but I doubt anybody else